Ghost Glass Smart Film Installation Instructions. Step 1. Clean. Clean the glass thoroughly using a lint-free cloth and glass cleaner. Clean the adhesive side of the smart film as well. Both surfaces must be free of dust, residue, and oils before installation. Step 2. Position. Place the smart film against the glass and align it with the edges. Confirm positioning before exposing any adhesive. Step 3. Start the application. Peel back approximately 2 inches of the protective liner from the top. Press the exposed adhesive onto the glass to secure the film. Step 4. Apply the film. Continue peeling the liner downward while applying the film with a squeegee. Work from top to bottom, pushing air out as you go. If dust or debris becomes trapped, gently peel the film back to the affected area. Use a small piece of tape to lift the debris from the glass or adhesive. Reapply the film and continue. As long as this is done promptly, the film will not be affected. Step 5. Electrical. Ghost Glass ships all custom-cut film orders without soldered-on leads. We recommend that a licensed electrician or low-voltage technician perform all electrical connections from the power transformer to the smart film. This includes soldering electrical leads to the film. Step 6. Remove the liner. Once the film is fully applied, remove the remaining protective liner. Step 7. Install trim. Most Ghost Glass film installations require trim. Ghost Glass Secure Edge. Wet glaze trim is ideal for commercial and residential spaces and is recommended for high humidity or wet locations when used with Dow 1199 to protect the conductive layers of the film. Step 8. Power connection. Connect the smart film to the power supply and test functionality. The film should switch seamlessly between clear and frosted modes, providing instant privacy on demand.